So if it is 1 cube, the unit place digit is 1.
1.
2 cube, it's 8. 3
8.
cube is
7.
7. 4 cube,
4.
5 cube,
5.
6 cube,
6.
7 cube,
3.
8 cube,
2.
9 cube,
9.
and 10 cube we have
0.
0. So that means if a number ends with, after looking at these cubes, we can say if a number ends with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 or 0. See, if a number has 1, 4, 6, 9 or 0, the cube also has the same number. Cube also ends with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0. For example, if I ask you what is unit place digit of 12391 cube, so you need not
1.
calculate, you just know that it has the number ends with 1, then cube also, cube will end with 1. So what will be 14 cube ending with?
4.
Cube will end with 4. What about 99 cube?
9.
Yes, cube will end with 9.
9.
And what will be the unit place digit of 125 cube?
5.
Yes, its unit place digit will be 5. So 1 में, 4 में, 5 में, 6 में, 9 में और 0 में क्या फंडा है कि अगर नंबर के लास्ट में ये डिजिट्स हुए तो क्यूब के लास्ट में भी यही डिजिट्स होंगे, राइट. सेकेंड ऑब्जर्वेशन regarding this is if a number ends with 2,
Sir, the cube will end with 8.
yes, the cube ends with 8. So what will be the unit place digit of 412 cube?
Sir, 8.
Yes, this will end with 8. What will be 12982 cube?
Sir, 8.
Yes, the unit place digit will be
8.
8, right? And if a number ends with 8, the cube will end with,
The cube will end with 2.
yes,
2.
the cube ends with
Excuse
2.
me, sir.
For example, 18 cube will end with
2.
2. If a number ends with 3, the cube ends with 7.
7.
For example, 113 cube will end with
7. 7.
And vice versa also. If number ends with 7,
It will end with 3. Yes.
the cube will end with 3. Will end with 3.
3. So this is like opposite.
Yes, वाइस वर्सा होता है इसमें. अगर मैं पूछूं 1 4 9 2 7 क्यूब will end with
3.
3 for sure. Cube of a number can be represented as sum of consecutive odd numbers. For example, say 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. Now this 8 can be written as 3 and 5. It is the sum of two consecutive odd numbers. 3 cube is 27. Now this 27 is 7 plus 9 plus 11. If you add them, you will get 27. And these are the three consecutive cubes. 4 cube is 64. What will 64 be equal to? It will be equal to 13 plus 15 plus 17.
सर मतलब सर हमें ये जो नंबर है सर हमें ये नहीं बताता कौन से नंबर के बट ये बताते हैं उनका क्वांटिटी कितनी है.
Similarly, if it is 5 cube, then you will start with what number? You will start with 21. And you will take 5 consecutive odd numbers. 23, 25, 27, 29. So what?
So there is a pattern going on. Sir,
What if I ask you?
Yes, sir.
6
Sir,
cube. If I ask you 6 cube, you
sir, it will start with 31.
You just ended with 29. You will start with 31 and take 6 consecutive odd numbers. So you will have 37, 39 and 41. They will add up to give you 216. If you want to calculate 7 cube, you will start, you have ended with 41 in the last cube, so you will start with 43 here. 43, 45, 47, 49, 51. How many to take? 7. So 7 consecutive odd numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 53 and 55. So this will give you 343. As you can see that odd numbers have their cubes as odd. So odd number has cube as an odd number. Similarly, even number will have cube as an even number.
Even number.
So you can see whatever even number you take, you will have cube as even number. So we can write cube of even number is even, and cube of odd number is always odd. But he says product of perfect cubes is a perfect cube. I think more than property here, it is laws of exponents. So if I say x into y whole cube, it means x cube into y cube.
No.
Right? The power is transferred to x as well as to y. In the same way, if I see m cube into n cube, I can write it as mn whole cube. For example, if I say 1 cube into 2 cube, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. So this जो भी आंसर
2
आया
into 1 whole
8
2
इज
into 1 whole cube.
परफेक्ट क्यूब. सो ये कह रहा है अगर दो क्यूब्स मल्टीप्लाई होंगे तो आंसर भी एक परफेक्ट क्यूब आएगा. अगर मैं पूछूं इज 9 क्यूब इंटू 15 क्यूब अ परफेक्ट क्यूब?
Yes, sir.
No.
Answer is yes, because 9 cube into 15 cube can be written as 9
Sir,
into
9
15
into 15 cube.
whole
9
cube.
into 15 whole cube.
This gives you 135 whole cube. So is it a perfect cube? Yes. तो वो किसका
Yes.
क्यूब होगा? वो 135 का क्यूब होगा. मान लो मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया इज 43 क्यूब and 7 cube into 7 cube is a perfect cube?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The answer is
Yes,
yes. And वो किसका क्यूब होगा? वो होगा सर 43 into 7 का होल क्यूब,
7.
यानी
Sir,
301
29. Yes, sir. 300
का होल क्यूब होगा.
whole cube.
Difference of consecutive cubes is one more than 3 times their product. So this property says if I want to say calculate 2 cube minus 1 cube, so this is 8 minus 1, this gives us 7, right? But the property says you need not calculate the cubes, you just remove the power 3, remove the minus sign, you multiply them. 2 into 1 gives you
2.
2. Multiply this product with 3. Multiply product with 3. You will get
6.
6. Now add 1. So your answer comes out to be 7. In the same way, suppose if I want to calculate say 6 cube minus 5 cube,
6 into 5.
you just have to, no need to calculate
9
cubes, you will write 3 times 6 into 5 plus 1. So your answer will be 6 5 the 30, 91. Say I want to calculate 21 cube minus 20 cube. See, these should be consecutive, the number should be consecutive, only then this property will work. So the answer for this will be 3 into 21 into 20 plus 1. So multiply them, you will get
Sir.
what?
Sir, 161.
So this is 1261. Suppose if I want to calculate 9 cube minus 8 cube, what will be the answer? It will be 3 times
Sir, 9 into
9 into 8 plus 1. So it is 72 multiplied 3
8 by
times.
3. Sir, 217.
So it will be 217. Property that if I look at exponent 3, then x into y whole cube can be written as x cube into y cube, and x by y whole cube can also be written as x cube by y cube. So supposedly I am calculating cube for 4x.
लेकिन तो law of exponent भी है.
Yes. So this is, that's why I have used the word exponent.
Yes,
So
sir.
4x cube will mean 4 cube and x cube.
X cube.
So 4 cube is 64, x cube remains as such, so your answer will be 64x cube. But what if I ask you what is 9x square whole cube? So here I will have to write 9 cube and
Sir.
x square whole cube.
6.
The 729 x raised to power 6.
See here, this is the rule of exponent where x raised to power m whole raised to power p, the powers will be multiplied.
X 20 power.
So it is mp. In the same way, x raised to power 2 whole raised to power 3 means x raised to
X
power
raised to power
6.
6.
So what if I ask you what is 10x 9 whole raised to power 3? So it will be 10 raised to power 3
Sir,
Sir,
x raised to power 9 whole raised to power 3.
1000
27.
into x raised to power 27.
So 1000 into x raised to power 27. If I give you a question like this, what will be 4 by 5 whole cube? So it will be 4 cube.
Sir, 4 cube upon 5 cube.
So it will be 64 divided
64
by
upon
125.
125. Similarly, if it is asked what is 729 by 1000? Now
Sir,
729
9 upon
is
10
9 cube.
9 upon 10 whole. 9 upon 10 whole cube.
This is 10 cube. So this will be written as 9 by 10 whole cube.
Whole cube.
Or we can also write it as 0.9 whole cube. Right? So
Yes, sir.
if I am solving decimals, for example, if I want to calculate 0.008 whole cube, I will first convert it into fraction. So this is 8 upon 1000 whole cube. This gives me 8 cube divided by 1000 cube.
Sir, 5
So it
into
is 512. I can write 1000 as 10 raised to power 3. So this is
yes,
512 divided by 10 raised to power.
to power
9.
6.
It's not 6.
Sorry, 9. Sir, 9.
And I can bring this power in numerator by taking it negative. So powers of 10. See, if
Sir,
it is
how
written as 10,000, then it is 10 raised to
the
power
power
4. I ask you what is minus 11 cube. So it will be minus 11 into minus
Upon
11 into minus 11.
minus 11.
So as you can see that there are 3 minus. So 2 will be cancelled out and you will calculate 11 cube. It will give you 1331.
Yes, sir.
Now only one minus sign is there, so it will come with the answer. What if I ask you minus 7 cube? So it will give you minus 7
Sir,
into minus 7 into minus 7.
Minus 340.
minus 343.
Yes. So the answer is minus 340.
Minus 343.
What if it is being asked as what is minus 5 cube? Can you give me the answer directly?
Minus 125.
Minus 125.
Minus 125.
Yes, the answer is minus 125. What if you are being asked a question like this? 5, it's a mixed fraction. Cube of mixed fraction.
Sir, we will first convert it into improper fraction.
Yes,
Sir,
you will first have to convert it into improper fraction, which is 37. 7 whole cube. Now you know the funda that 37 cube will be 37 to 37 into 37 divided by.
Sir, 50653.
343.
Yes,
50653 upon 343.
yes, 50653 divided by 343.